And welcome back to the final and fun part of filling in the middle of Pascal's triangle in Excel. Okay, here goes. So we simply have to add the two above in each case, and then we're going to copy that and paste. We'll have to do one row at a time again because we are offset. So there we should get 5, 10, 10. Now we should get 6, 15, 15, or 6, 15, 20, and so on. And we're going to make our way down. At this point, we had invested a fair amount of time in setup, but now we're probably going faster than your colleagues could do this if they were writing it out manually. Here is the final product. And by the way, if you wish to add more columns, because maybe you've run up against the wall here, which we're about to do, you would simply insert more rows on the left and then go down if necessary and repeat the merge and center steps that we did earlier and do the copying and pasting to create how much of a brick wall you want and let the fun continue. So congratulations, you now have your own copy of Pascal's triangle typed up nicely and neatly. We have come up with about 12 rows here because we just left the first one blank. And this first one is more like a decoration. The action starts and this is counted as row 1 down to row 12. So I won't get into all of the many uses and the formula that you can use to derive any given element, but we'll stop here and thanks for watching.